The moon holds an ancient, violent secret. Its true origin story remained hidden for ages. The moon holds an ancient, violent secret. Its true origin story remained hidden for ages. For millennia, cultures gazed at our lunar companion. Many myths tried to explain its celestial presence. Scientists once proposed several unique origin theories. Some thought it formed alongside Earth, a twin, but Apollo missions brought back critical evidence. This data revolutionized our understanding dramatically. About 5 billion years ago, early Earth was forming. It was a chaotic, molten primordial world then. Planetary embryos constantly collided across the solar system. One such body was a Mars-sized protoplanet. Scientists named this ancient, hypothetical world Theia. It was on a collision course with young Earth. The impact was not head-on, but glancing. This oblique angle proved absolutely crucial for formation. It ejected immense amounts of material into orbit. Both Theia's mantle and Earth's crust were vaporized. This debris formed a scorching, swirling disk around Earth. Within decades, this ring began to accrete. Gravity pulled the scattered fragments together quite quickly. Our moon coalesced from this fiery aftermath. Apollo astronauts collected 382 kilograms of lunar rocks. These precious samples offered invaluable clues for research. Scientists analyzed their chemical and isotopic composition carefully. Moon rocks show striking similarities to Earth's mantle. Oxygen isotopes, for example, are nearly identical. This strong evidence supports a shared parent body. The moon also has a notably small iron core. This matches predictions of Theia's grazing impact. The moon largely formed from lighter ejected material. The giant impact hypothesis is widely accepted today. It explains many observed lunar characteristics perfectly. The moon's eccentric orbit and large size are explained. Its lack of volatile elements also makes sense. This violent birth shaped our solar system profoundly. It shows planetary formation is a dynamic process. Understanding this helps us study exoplanet systems. Ongoing research continues to refine this complex model. The moon's origin was a spectacular, fiery event. Born from collision, it stabilizes Earth's axial tilt. This stability is crucial for our planet's climate. It allowed life to evolve over billions of years. Our familiar nightlight has a dramatic backstory. Subscribe for more in-depth explorations of cosmic mysteries.